Any good knife is comfortable to hold. This duty most of the time is given to the handle of the knife. For this knife I will be using this beautiful piece of teak wood for the handle and scabbard. I will chisel out the cavity as one piece, then later cut it out. This groove, commonplace in Japanese knives, is to hold the excess oil and dust and to help the knife not to oxidize. I am using regular carpenter's glue to attach the knife and the wood together. I wanted to drill it, but I do not have any bits that would penetrate the steel. These pieces of plastic are to make sure the knife stays centered in the cavity, which is a bit too wide for the knife's blade. After the glue dries overnight, I will shape the knife to a comfortable oval shape. At this point, the knife is largely complete. Now I am sharpening the knife with a whetstone. This will give it a razor sharp edge, perfect for cutting anything. Here, you can see how smoothly it is cutting the vegetables.